slimes, like the Starbucks one, this hard one, clear slime, a bunch of different ones. So without further ado, okay guys, so now it's time for the hardest part to pick which slime I'm gonna do first. So I think I'm gonna do this pink one first. It's all the way at the bottom because it looks pretty and maybe it'll feel good too. Okay. Hopefully it feels good. Ready? It feels good, yay! It's not sticky or hard, it's like perfect. Oh, it's a crunchy slime. This reminds me of like a bubble. It smells scented. It's so good. It smells like candy. So good. Okay, let's put it away and let's move on to the next slime. So next slime I'm gonna do is this super pretty teal one, and Bella actually gave me this as a gift. So let's see how it feels. I actually haven't felt it yet. Oh, this is really nice. Okay, let me get it off my hands. Okay, that's good. Oh, this one is like a glossy slime. Oh, sorry, it's sticking to me a little bit. This one's like a glossy slime. Do you see that gloss? I don't think this one's scented though, but it's really nice still. Okay guys, so the next slime I'm gonna show you is this one. And it's so funny because I left it out and it was used to be a butter slime, but look, who's there? It's so hard, look. It doesn't even stretch. Let's try to break it. Oh my God. And if you thought this one was hard, look at this one. Ready? This one's like rock. It's a rock. That hurt. Now I'm gonna do a store-bought slime. So I'm gonna go with this Nickelodeon clear slime. And it looks so clear. Let's take it out so you guys can see how clear it is. Oh, look at that clearness. Who else is obsessed with Nickelodeon slime? So good. Oh, we're ruining the clearness, but it looks so nice. I love this slime. It's probably one of my favorite store-bought slimes I've ever got. Let's do this one. So Bella has this Hubble Bubble gum, and I tried to do almost like a prank, and I filled it with slime. Oh, the slime is kind of hard. Oh, it used to be stretchy, but now it's so hard. What's wrong with this slime? I thought it was good. Okay, so this is the slime. It's totally good. No, it's not. So let me put it back in. Hopefully it will fit. I don't know. We'll just leave it like that for now. Let's do this one. I can't open it. Let me try to use my shirt. This is kind of hard to open. Let's try again. Why is this so hard to open? Who closed this? Oh my God. It's either someone closed this really hard or I'm out of shape. My mom had to help me open it. Okay, so anyways, this one I think was scented like marshmallow, so let's see, I'm not sure. Let me smell first. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a vanilla, kind of like sweet scent. This one actually, oh, you know those, you know when you get like a package, like a big package, and it brings like those big blocks of foam? I mixed it in and it turns so crunchy. Ready? Let's hear the crunch noises. Ah, that was good. So let me put it away. Okay, so now I'm in the mood for some more clear slime, and I saw this like pigmented clear slime, and I just wanted to do it. So let's see how it feels. Hopefully it feels nice. Oh, look how shiny that is. Look at what else. I think I made this with the Elmer's metallic clear glue. It's so nice. Okay, that's good for now. That is clear. And it like drizzles so nice. Look at the drizzle, ready? That's a good slime. favorite. It's almost like a rose gold pink color, and those are my two favorite colors, so it's perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna do this unicorn one, and it's like all purple, but then on the top it's like, oh, beautiful. So let's see. I think this was also made with that like block of foam, so yes. Oh, it's a little bit sticky though. It's so nice, like when all the colors mix in a slime, it just looks so pretty. Like this unicorn purple color. Oh, I just found a block of foam. It's like a huge block of foam in there. Okay, I like this one too. Probably my favorite crunchy slime so far. Let's go for a jiggly slime. Are you ready for this? I don't know if I'm ready, because sometimes jiggly slimes melt, and I hope this one isn't melted. Oh no. Help me. I'm embarrassed. Okay, sometimes they look like that. Okay. But look at the jiggles. Like, whoa. It's so pretty though. Oh, I can't really play with this one too much. You guys could kind of see it, right? Look at my hands, ready? So sticky. How do I get this on my hands? I'm back, guys. I had to go wash my hands because that slime was really sticky. Okay.
I love your hair today. Show everybody.
Thank you.
We want to see your hair.
If
Can you stand up so we can see it better? Because
Sure.
it's so long.
Here it is.
And what did you do to it?
So basically, I just slept with 2 braids, and then I woke up super curly and pretty, and I hairsprayed it. I put a lot of hairspray so it could stay all day, and voila. Do you like it? I have curly hair like Bella now. I'm her twin. So I'm gonna do this Starbucks like Frappuccino. It looks like a galaxy slime almost. Oh, that's kind of sticky. Okay. Hopefully it's not too sticky. Ready? Let's pour out my drink. Oh no, my Starbucks drink is falling. I wonder why. It's because I'm pouring it out. Okay. Hey, it's not that sticky. Oh no, is it staining the table? Oh my god, it's staining the table. Do you see that? It's staining the table. I'm so sorry, Mom. But it's still really nice. Whoa, that looks cool.
Do it again.
Ready? It like changes colors. I'm back again. Okay. Hopefully the next one isn't sticky or hard. So I like this blue teal color, so I'm gonna open it up and see.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Yeah, it looks like a mermaid slime. Hey, that's why you like it.
Easter slime.
Oh yeah, that's why you like it, because it's like mermaid mom. I got it. Okay. Oh yes, it's like a crunchy glossy slime, and I really like it. Oh no, don't stick to me. I don't want it to have to come back again. It is like Eastery. Oh no! Oh my gosh! It was like dripping on my arm. Do not stick to me. Do not stick to me. Okay, do you guys think I could do it and put it into the container without it sticking? Ready? Gotta work fast. Gotta work fast. I did it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this slime because it looks pretty cool. Let's see. Oh no. It feels a little sticky. I hope it doesn't. Oh, it's like marbled almost. It's like, what is this? Oh, it's a little charm. It's a macaroon charm. Wait, is this scented? Because usually when it has charms, I put scent in it. It smells like a dessert almost. I really like this scent. It's good. I wish you guys could be here to smell it too. Oh, this one's a little sticky. Let's click it. It's a lot of click. And stretch. Have I said, do you guys see that in this video? Because I
You
always...
have.
I do. I thought I actually succeeded for once. Count how many times I say it and then let me know in the comments. Okay.
Oh, comments are working again.
Oh yeah, I love you guys so much. I've been commenting back to you guys, and you all are so sweet. And thank you all for who commented. Happy anniversary to our parents. That was
Yes,
so sweet.
thank you.
Oh, this one's like green and it's like a ladybug slime, I guess. I hope this one isn't scented because it'll smell like a leaf or something. Like a ladybug. That's kind of gross. This one was a store-bought slime and I added glitter and I think I added food coloring. all rippy and stuff. I don't like this one. At least it leaves glitter on my hands, which I like. What's that? I heard Siri. Siri? Hey Siri! What's the weather for today?
It's currently partly cloudy and 87 degrees in Miami. Expect thunderstorms starting in the evening.
Thank you, Siri. Bye. Bye, Siri. Bye, bye. Okay, so now let's do this slime, or let's do this one because it's unicorn. So unicorn is always better. Hopefully, it's not sticky because it looks a little. No, I'm gonna have to get up again. I'll just play with it in the container. This one is like the prettiest one I've played with. So nice, and it's like 3 colors mixed. I love that neon color too. So I'm not taking it out of its container. It's just I don't want it to stick all over me again. It's been like the 5th time it's sticky. Oh my. Okay, let's do you over here. There's like tape at the bottom of the container because it's broken. This one I think is scented like a cereal, like Captain Crunch scent. Oh, it's scented, and it's also sticky. Help me.
It smells like vanilla.
Yeah, it does. What do you guys think I should call it? Cereal slime or like vanilla with sprinkles like my mom said? Or frosting? I don't know. It's so good. Oh, I'm gonna eat it. Can I eat it, please, Mom?
No.
Please. Can I eat it? You guys can eat it. Ooh, does it taste good? That was weird. Okay, guys, so let's move on to the next slime. Are you ready? I'm gonna do miniature. I like scream like if it was gonna be like a huge slime and it's like this little thing. But anyways, let's feel it. I think I did adding like too much sugar paper. Not in a video, just like in my room, and it turned out pretty nice. Like all like sparkly and stuff. Kind of reminds me of Easter again. Is it Easter or summer? Wait, Easter and summer. That is weird because Easter is like a holiday. No, it's not. Wait, I'm confused. Don't worry about it. Okay. Anyways, let's move on to another slime. This one says what? It has like writing on it. Does it say? What do you guys think that says? I don't know. It says cupcake. Oh, cupcake. Okay, let's open it. If I could open it. Another crunchy slime. How many slimes are crunchy? Oh, it's like marbled again. I love when the slimes are like that. It's so good. It's like crunchy, glossy, marbled, and perfect. Put it back in the container. And it's sticky. I gotta go fast. Okay, so let's do this purple one over here. It's like sparkly and it's crunchy and looks cool. So, I'm stuck in the bag. Oh, it's glittery too. Do you guys see? I didn't say anything. There's glitter in it. That's what I was saying. Totally. You didn't hear that, right? Oh, this one is so nice too. I can't decide which one I like. Remember at the end of the video to comment since there's comments. What slime was your favorite? Because I really can't decide. I can't. I love all of them. My little babies. So we're down to the last 2. What you gonna do, Pooh? Like Bella says. So I might as well just take them both out. I'm gonna look at them and see which one I'm gonna do first. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the soul. If your hollows, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I guess we're doing this one. Okay. Bella always does eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'm Bella today because I have curly hair. And yeah. This one's a little hard. I can't really stretch it. Ready? It's so stretchy. It's not stretchy. Okay, so it's like the first hard one I've had, or is it? I'm not sure. And the last one. It's the last one. I wanted to show you guys so many, but it's okay. I could do another part. Wait, I feel like I showed this one, but I didn't.
I think it was like a peachy color.
Oh yeah. This one is a little bit hard, but it's still really nice to crunch. Okay guys, that's end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because we're almost at 90K, which means we're almost at 100K. So I'm super excited. Thank you all so much for your love and support. And shout outs time. So today's shout outs go to Jasmine Alonto and Samantha Whitford, because they were both so sweet and they're commenting on our premieres and our posts, and they were just so sweet. So we love you, and well, I love you. And I love all of you guys as well too. So also comment what slime was your favorite, and I love you guys to the moon and back. Mwah! #GB Squad. Bye guys.